welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for my CVS deals video. This is the first week of this new ad cycle and we received two mystery offers today. One is a $5 off for CoverGirl and the second mystery offer we received is either you use it with Maybelline Cosmetics or you use it with L'Oreal Cosmetics. If you need women Nivea body wash, they're on sale for $4.99. And you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back. And this can make a very good filler item. The first deal I have here will be the Broke size 7-ounce pouches. They're on sale for $2 for $9. And when you buy two, you get $3 back. Picking up two, pay the $9 and get $3 back, making both just $6 or $3 each. The next two items I have will be the Gushers. They're on sale for $1.99, but it's not giving back extra care box. Pick up two for a total of $3.98. We have a 50-cent digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.48 for both or just $1.74 each. The next deal I have will be the Scope mouthwash. They're on sale for $4.99 and they are part of buy one get $3 back. Pick up one, pay the $4.99 and get $3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back. That will end up making it just 99 cents. Next deal I have will be on band deodorants. They're on the deal of buy two get 5 back, and this deal I will show you two ways to do it. The first option is to pick up the 3.5 ounces. They are priced at $7.49 each. These two will total $14.98. We currently don't have any coupon in our app. I checked mine, there is none. But if you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can add it to this deal. But if you don't have any CRT, pay the $14.98, get 5 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each. That will end up making both just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The second option I have is to pick up two of the whole body deodorants. Right here it's priced at $13.79, but check to see if your store will modify the price because on the app it says $12.99. Using the $12.99 price, both will total $25.98. Pay that and get $5 back. But if you have percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $4 on each. That will be a total of $8 from Ibotta. Then Inbox Dollar is giving back $12 for buying two. After all the rebates and the extra care box, these two items will end up costing just 98 cents or 49 cents each. You know, Checkout 51 has a $2.25 back offer, but mine is no longer available. The next deal I have is buy two get 3 back on degree deodorants or dry sprays, and it's a limit of 1. And I will share two ways to do this. The first option is to pick up the degree ultra clear deodorants. They're on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up two. The first one will be $6.79 and the second one will be $3.40. Both will total $10.19. We don't have any coupon in our app, but I have this coupon from Unilever email, $1.50 off two. Using that, we'll drop it down to $8.69 and you get 3 back. Then check Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each deodorant. That will end up making both just $1.69 or 85 cents each. The second option is to pick up two of the dry spray. They are priced at $7.79 and the second one will be $3.90. Both will total $11.69. I actually have a 3 off 12 degree deodorant CRT, but I can't use it because I'm still not at 98% to use it. Use the $1.50 off 2 degree coupon from Unilever email. That will drop it down to $10.19 and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each. And Fetch is giving back 1,500 points for buying two. That will end up making both products just $1.69 or 85 cents each. The next deal I have will be on Axe body wash. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get 2 back. Pick up two fine fragrance collection body wash priced at $8.49. One will be full price and one will be $4.25. Both will total $12.74. We normally pick up the cheaper priced ones, but the coupon we got today says only the fine fragrance skin cleansing products, and I scanned the products in the app. The cheaper body wash did not attach, only the fine fragrance one attached. Using the 5 off 2 digital coupon, that will drop it down to $7.74 and you get 2 back. making both body washes just $5.74 or $2.87 each. If you like the Yardley bar soap, they on sale for $1.99 and we have a 50 cents back from Ibotta. We also have a deal on Dial products. They on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two of the 3-pack bar soaps priced at $4.69. The second one will be $2.81. Both will total $7.50. We don't have any coupon in our app, but pay the $7.50 and get 3 back, making both just $4.50 or $2.25 each. My first hair care deal in this video will be on Garnier Fructis. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2. We received a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop you down to 4. Pay the $4 and get $2 back, making both just $2 or $1 each. My next deal will be on L'Oreal Elvive. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. Pick up 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop you down to 7, and you get 6 back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. My next deal will be on Nivea Men Shave products. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 7 back, limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Nivea Shave Gel. They are priced at $6.59 each. Both shave gels will total $13.18. We don't have any coupon in our app for these products, but if you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal and it will come out cheaper. But without the percentage of CRT, pay $13.18 and get 7 back, making both just $6.18 or $3.09 each. The next deal I have is buy 1 get 5 back, and this will be a very easy deal and a good filler item if you need it. And it will be on the Stain Kill or Chigarex. They are both included in this deal. The Stain Kill is priced $6.29 in the app, so you can ask them to modify the price. Pay the $6.29 and get 5 back, making it just $1.29. If you don't want the Stain Kill, you can pick up the Chigarex. In the app, it's priced at $5.99. Ask them to modify the price if your store allows it. Pay the $5.99 and get 5 back, making it just 99 cents. The next deal I have is spend 12 get 4 back on Maybelline Cosmetics, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the Maybelline Face Contouring Kit, priced at $14.99. I know this deal is spend 12 get 4, but if you have the 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, then this will be a better deal. Or you can pick up any item that is within the 98% of spend 15, because when you take off the $3, it's still spend 12. We have a $3 digital coupon, and we received a $3 mystery offer. With the 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, it will drop it down to $5.99, and you get 4 back, making it just $1.99. CoverGirl is on the deal of buy 2 get 6 back, limit of 1. Pick up 2 Outlast top coats priced at $5.29 each. Both will total $10.58. We received a $5 off mystery offer today that will drop it down to $5.58, and you get 6, making both free and 42 cents moneymaker. The next deal is on L'Oreal Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back, limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Color Richie eyeshadows priced at $6.99 each. Both eyeshadows will total $13.98. We have a $3 mystery offer from last week. If you sent it to card or printed yours, it's extended. And today we received another $3 mystery offer. That will drop it down to $17.98, and you get 5 back, making both just $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you don't want to pick up the eyeshadows, another way to do this deal is to pick up one of the L'Oreal lip liners. It has a yellow sticker of 50% off on it, and it's priced at $10.79. With the 50% off, it will drop it down to $5.40. And using the 2 CRTs, one of them is going to adjust and you get it free. My next deal will be on Garnier Facial Care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up the eye makeup remover pads, priced at $7.79, and the second item will be the foaming gel cleanser, priced at $10.49. Because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, and the cheaper priced item is the eye makeup remover pads, that will cost $3.90. These 2 items will total $14.39. We have a 3 off digital coupon, And you can also go to coupons.com and print out a second $3. I also have a 2 of 10 Garnier facial care CRT that will drop it down to $6.39 and you get 5 back, making both just $1.39 or 70 cents each. The next deal I have will be on Poise pads. They're on sale for 2 for $13, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 of the 18 counts ultra thin pads. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 8 and you get 2 back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each. That will end up making it 2 for both or $1 each. The next deal I have here will be on the 40 ounces Persil detergents. They're on sale for $6.99 and when you buy 2, you get 5 back. Pick up 2, both will total $13.98. We don't have any coupon in the app for this, but pay the $13.98 and get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50, limit of 1. That will end up making both just $7.48 or $3.74 each. The next deal I have here will be the spend 30 get 10 back, and it's a limit of 1, but I have 2 examples in this video. The first one I have is to pick up the Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. Pick up 2 Cottonelle flushable wipes at 2 for $10. And to complete this deal, pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. All 4 products will total $13.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, and we have another $2 digital coupon for the Dawn Power Wash. These 2 coupons will drop it down to $25.98 and you get 10 back, making all 4 items just $15.98 or $4 each. The second option I have is to pick up the 32 count Summer Eve cleansing clothes, priced at $7.29. The second item to add to this deal is the 32 count uikisms ultra thin pad, and the last item you will add to this deal will be the 96 count liner, priced at $10.49. These 3 items will total $30.27. I have this $1 off Summer Eve coupon we got from the 4/7 saving set, and we also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the uikisms. The 2 coupons will drop it down to $26.27 and you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on the liner and a different $1.50 back on the pad. After the $3 back from Ibotta, these 3 items will end up costing just $13.27 or $4.42 each. And this concludes my video for today. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thanks for your support, and thank you all for coming back to watch my video every week, and I'll talk to you next time.